Are you ready to explore a structured approach to maintaining sterile environments in high-risk areas? Terminal cleaning ensures thorough disinfection of patient rooms after use. Using eAuditor, inspections become structured and traceable. Terminal cleaning involves thorough room disinfection post-patient discharge. eAuditor ensures structured inspections and real-time documentation. The goal is to prevent healthcare-associated infections. Compliance with infection control protocols is crucial. Auditable records support accreditation and quality assurance. Begin by noting the hospital name, location, and room identifier. Record the date, time, and inspector's name. Ensure the room is ready with the patient discharged and personal items removed. Verify the availability of appropriate PPE. Prepare disinfectants and tools to prevent cross-contamination. Disinfect high-touch surfaces like bed rails and call buttons. Sanitize room fixtures and furniture, including chairs and tables. Mop and disinfect floors, walls, and baseboards. Remove visible contamination or spills promptly. Follow hospital-approved protocols for cleaning. Clean and disinfect portable medical devices. Ensure bed frames and IV poles are sanitized. Segregate and dispose of clinical waste safely. Bag and transport contaminated linen properly. Follow infection control protocols for all laundry handling. Log all cleaning tasks using eAuditor. Capture photo evidence and record deviations. Track corrective actions with deadlines and evidence uploads. Document missed steps or improper PPE use. Schedule reinspection of cleaned rooms if necessary. eAuditor provides a complete audit trail from cleaning to compliance. Structured inspections enhance infection control practices. Automated reports support continuous improvement. Maintaining sterile environments and isolation rooms is crucial. This ensures safe and infection-free patient care.